Big goals and habit systems are useless if you don't have a rhythm to keep them alive. My weekly and monthly reset routines are how I keep my business alive, and they're actually how I keep my second brain running. By the end of this video, you'll not only see how I reset in under 2 hours, but you'll get my free reset checklist so you can try it for yourself. Every Sunday, I run a quick reset. This isn't a huge project. It's about clearing the clutter and setting a clean slate. First, I review projects and tasks in Notion. Anything stale gets updated or archived. Then I clear inboxes. DMs, email, notes. This is where my second brain comes in. I move ideas, links, or bookmarks into my system so they don't get lost. Finally, I update my top 3 priorities and do a quick journal reflection. What worked? What felt heavy? Monthly resets are a little deeper, but still take under 2 hours. I start with analytics, content, business numbers, finances. Then I look at my vision board. What's still resonating? What themes have shifted? This is also where I review quarterly goals in Notion and move paused or finished ones to archives. My second brain system makes this easy. Projects flow into goals and goals flow into values. I don't have to start fresh each month. I'm just updating the map. I use a 3-lens review to make sure I'm not only focused on business progress. First, I check in on self, my health, energy, and routines, relationships, family, friends, and community, and business, revenue, pipeline, and creative project. Each lens gets a quick status check in Notion. This way, it's not about tasks, it's about alignment. One of the biggest reasons resets matter is for idea capture. Throughout the week, I save links, highlights, thoughts, but if I don't process them, they pile up. During my reset, I move them to the right spot. Project-related links go under projects, general learning goes under resources, and anything complete gets archived. This is the second brain at work. Capture, organize, and keep moving. The only way this sticks is if it feels good. My weekly reset happens on Sundays with coffee in the morning. Monthly resets are usually on the first weekend. You don't need a rigid ritual. Pick a rhythm and a setting that makes you look forward to it instead of dreading it. These resets are how I keep my systems alive. Without them, even the best dashboard turns into digital clutter. If you want to try this for yourself, I made my reset checklist free. It's linked below. It's the exact list I use every Sunday and month end. And if you missed my last video, I shared the habits and goals that I actually track. That's a perfect one to watch next.